Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a festival sort of makeup look, is going to be. So I got some stuff sent to me from Rimmel to create this look, so let's just jump into it. I think it's for the Falls Festival, I'm not too sure, but I'm just going to do a festival makeup tutorial using the stuff that they sent me and stuff that I already have. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the primer I'm going to be using is the Rimmel Lasting Primer. And the foundation I will be using today is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hour Breathable Foundation. Adding a second layer. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use the Rimmel Brow This Way in medium. To set the brows in place, going to use the Brow This Way in blonde. For the eyeshadow, I got sent the Magnifies Colour Edition. So I'm going to try not to cheat and use another eyeshadow palette, but I don't know what look I'm going to do. Now, because it doesn't really have a brown as a transition, I'm going to actually grab my Rimmel Kate palette and use that sort of middle colour as my transition. I'm then going to take from the Sun Shimmer Bronzing Palette, colour wheel sort of thing, I'm going to take this colour right here. Now I'm going to dip into the Colour Edition and I'm going to take this colour right here. I'm going to try and do a wing, just a small one. So I'm going to take the Rimmel Wonder Wing. I'm sorry I can't do this on camera yet. I'll be here forever. Okay, so that did not turn out. We're starting again and we're doing a different colour. It was a disaster and I'm even going to talk about it. Right, so we're going to do a different colour. I'm going to actually pop a purple down instead. Right, I'm pretty deflated. But what I use is this purple. And then I change to this gold. So I still use the gold and change to a purple. And I'm just setting my concealer down now because we just had to start all over again. It was a disaster. I'm going to take this purple and just drag it so close to my lash line. And then taking that gold as like my inner corner highlight and just extending it underneath. I'm very happy with that. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Wonderfully Real one. I believe it's new. Oh wow, oh wow. So it's the plastic bristles. What are you calling them, bristles? I'm going to be really bold and pop a teal colour in my lid as an eyeliner. I'm then actually going to take the bright blue and pop that in my waterline on top of that eyeliner. And I'm just going to take this champagne colour to highlight under my brow bone. To set the rest of my face, I'm just going to take that Rimmel Stay Matte. Going to take my Sun Shimmer in Gold Princess and I'm just going to take these parts here. For highlight in that Sun Shimmer. I'm actually going to try this one to see how good it is for a highlighter, but I have got the highlighter from the Kate palette as well. Dogs are barking. Going to set my face with the Insta Fix and Go. Now for lips, I'm going to take the Stay Matte in Shadow, sort of a grey blue. Wish me luck. I might just quickly line my lips. I gave up lining my lips, I'm just going to go in with it. I'm then going to take the Lip Art in Pearlescent and pop that over top. Okay guys, that completes the finished look we got there in the end. What a challenge of a video that was for me, because I don't know how much of my eyes I got. I'm so sorry, but I had to refilm it and I think I was just over it. But I really love this look. It's very so different for festival. Whereas this lip art, wow, it's just like transformed that lip color to something else. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What else do I have to say? Not much, I don't think. I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, it's 2018. New videos for Sam coming this year. Bye.